Yo, what's up, Currency Trading Academy? Happy Saturday. I just got a new haircut, feeling fresh, got a clean shave, looking good. I'm gonna be headed to Huntington Beach tonight, have some dinner and some drinks. But really quick, I want to do a quick Saturday market breakdown on gold and the NASDAQ. So, if this is your first time tuning in, what I like to do is I like to review my trades from last week and see where price can go next week. So I actually didn't take too many trades last week, um, mainly because I was trying to get my psychology right for the following week. But let's take a look. So this is what I was thinking the price was going to do. I think that price is going to retest over here and come back down here, which it kind of did. Come back down and came back up. And that's a bit about where I placed my trade. So price definitely rallied above. It started to base out. So rally base drop, as I call it, rally base, and then dropped, and then based out, and then price just started to melt, 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 melt. So over here, this is where I passed my 50K challenge on Apex. So if you guys didn't know, they're having a 90% off sale. Use my code in the description for a discount. But yeah, guys, I basically went full margin here. I did 100 contracts or 10 lots if you're trading Forex. And I did in 100 contracts, you just need to get 30 pips. Actually, 31, 32 pips. But I I did 32 over here, but for some reason, it only marked me down for $2,900, which is kind of dumb. And so I ended up having to take another trade to catch another $100. So that's why I have another trade over here. And so over here, price came back down and basically respected this daily support level and started to rally. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts and start to chart for y'all. So gold is in this consolidation range right now. First, I like to mark up the all-time high. New all-time high. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. And I'll mark up this daily resistance candles over here too. Mark up this daily support level. This daily support level also. And this daily support level. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 support levels. Actually gonna mark up this one just in case price decides to come break support level, because next week is FOMC and NFP, so anything could happen. And price is doing this really big pullback right here, so we want to know where price can go down to. Jump down to the 4-hour time frame. And I like to mark up my zones to the following Sunday. And I like to mark up my candles from my zones from the candle body close to the candle wick. Now this is going to be a rather big zone. I don't like to typically do big zones, but you gotta trust your analysis. All right, now I'm gonna look at the lower time frame zones. You see a nice strong level of support over here where price can probably go and reject off of, and a nice little level of support turning resistance over here also. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna zoom out and you guys can take a screenshot of my levels. Take a screenshot of that. And these are the areas where I think price is gonna have the biggest, strongest rejections off of. So price can definitely respect this level of support or this level of support and rally up, or price can come back down here and continue to rally up also as well. All right, now I'm gonna go over to NASDAQ. I didn't trade the NASDAQ last week, so I just know that it's been breaking new all-time highs. Yeah, price broke above, retested this new all-time high, and just shot up. So it's definitely gonna look for buys next week. As always, I like to start in a daily time frame. Hold on one second, guys. I like to start on the daily time frame, mark up the all-time high. Strong area of resistance. All right, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 key levels. Jump down to 4-hour time frame, find out 4-hour zones. Mark our zones for next Sunday. Drop down to the lower time frames to find our lower time frame zones. Yep. I'm gonna zoom out and so you guys can take a screenshot of my key levels. Yep. Now let's look at the fundamentals for this week. So we have ADP on Wednesday, federal funds rate, FOMC on Wednesday late morning, Thursday unemployment claims, Friday is a big ticket for NFP. So we're gonna see a lot of movement this weekend, this coming week. Yeah, guys, as always, feel free to shoot my DMs if you have any questions, and I'm happy to answer them. All right, guys, peace.